On the island of New Guinea, this bird of paradise is about to attempt to find a mate.
I'm a love man. Call me the love man. Ooh, baby, I'm a love man. That's what they call me, I'm a love man. I'm 6 feet 1 weight, 210. Long hair and pretty pale skin. A long legs and...
But you are not a bird of paradise. Ever wondered where you'll find a date? At Friends Reunited Dating, you'll find 500,000 people, which means there's sure to be someone special waiting for you. So to find romance, friendship, or even true love, search free at friendsreuniteddating.co.uk. You'll never know unless you go.